customer states that their remote control start is not working on their 2024 BMW X7, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. You go to your climate control menu, which is this right here. Then you go to preconditioning. As you can see here, their start engine for climate control is off. So you go to remote engine start, you turn that on, and it'll just give you a message saying that state law differs. You know, you can read it. So now it's activated. All you have to do is click the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3 to activate. So you can see your engine just turned on. It's active, and to turn it off, you click it 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Easy as that.